Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check unlisted videos on YouTube using iPhone. And here's how it is done. To check unlisted videos on YouTube using an iPhone, open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Go to your channel, tap on your profile icon, select your channel from the drop-down menu. Access your videos. Once on your channel, scroll down to videos. You may not see unlisted videos right away because they don't appear in the public feed. Tap Manage Videos. You will see a list of your uploads with labels indicating their privacy settings: public, private, unlisted. Find the videos labeled as unlisted. This will have a chain icon indicating they can be shared via link. Watch or share unlisted videos. Tap on the video and click the three dots next to it to access options like sharing the link or unlisted videos from others. If someone shares the direct link of an unlisted video with you, you can simply tap the link in any messaging app or browser, and the YouTube app will open the video. And that is everything you need to know about how to check unlisted videos on YouTube using iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.